Good morning, girls. I hope you all are good and you have enjoyed your Eid. So, welcome back in online classes, girls. And today, the lesson number 4 of online classes, chapter number 4, exercise 4.2. So, girls, we have finished exercise 4.1. Today, we have to start 4.2, girls. And in 4.2, there are the different type of the factorization, girls. So in the first one, we have to use the formula and the rainbow method in exercise 4.1. But now it is a different type of the factorization, girls. In this exercise, girls, you have to factorize by complete the square. Again, there are the two terms are given only maybe. So what you do, you have to complete the square by adding or subtracting something, whatever it is need. So the first part of this question number 1, the first part is 4x power 4 plus 81 4 power y power 4. So first of all, you check that either any number is common. No. So because it is 4 and 81, both are not able to divisible on one table, so that's why nothing is common. So what you do, girls, you have to factorize it by complete the square by using the formula a plus b ka whole square. So there are only two terms. We need the third term. So what we do, girls, we add or subtract that third term. So we check that what we need it. So girls, first of all, you have to write these two terms as a whole square because it is a square and b square. So 4 is a square of 2 and 81 is the square of 9. Now how to add and subtract the thing, what you and how to get to know that what we add and what to subtract. You know that in the formula it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in the middle we need 2ab. So you have to write down in the form of 2ab. So plus 2 and 2a is 2x square and b is 9y square. And whatever you are writing in the plus form, you have to write down in the subtract, because whatever you are adding you have to subtract also. So here you have to adding and subtract this 2a and b, and a is 2x square and b is 9y square. So in the same way 2x square and 9y square. So this plus will be shift in the middle, this plus 2ab will be shift in the middle, and we have to complete the formula 2x square ka whole square plus 2x square into 9y square plus 9y square ka whole square. So it complete formula. So we use the formula and we write down it is a plus b ka whole square, that is 2x square plus 9y square ka whole square. And on the other hand, whatever is left, that is a subtraction. So you do the multiplication. There is a multiplication, the 2 times 4 and 4 times 36. So it is 36 x square into y square. So it is left minus 36 in x square into y square. So now you check that either this number is a square of any number. So yes, it is a square of 6. 36 is a square of 6. So girls, we are able to write down as a whole square. So first bracket is also whole square and second is as a whole square and middle sign is minus. So we use the formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now what we do, girls, we have to write down first term as it is, that is 2x square plus 9y square, and the second bracket is 6xy, so it is plus 6xy, and in the next bracket, girls, we write down a term and then minus b term is 6xy. So girls, this is the answer of first part. Now second part, girls, and second part is a power 4 plus 64 b power 4. Again it is similar as the first part. They are only two terms, but we need the third term for complete the square. So what we do, first of all, we have to write down in the form of whole squares. Okay, so a power 4 at where a power 2 power inside and 2 power is outside, and 64 is a square of 8. 64 is a square of 8. Now we need two AB, girls. So what we do, we write down in this form. We have to add or subtract the same terms, that is 2, you know that 2 from the formula, that is 2a square and 8b ka square. In the same way we have to subtract it, because whatever we adding we have to subtract it. It is a rule that whatever you are adding by yourself, you have to subtract it also. So it is 2a square into 8b ka square. So addition will shift in the middle. Addition will be shifted in the middle to complete the square. So it is completing a square plus 2ab plus b square. So girls, we are able to use the formula and it become a plus b ka whole square. So it is a square plus 8b square ka whole square. And on the next one, the subtraction one is left. What you do, you have to do the multiplication, girls. 2 8 time what is there, 16. So it is 16 a square into b square. So girls, why I'm adding this 2ab and 2ab, girls, subtracting 2ab, girls, it is difficult to guess that which number is adding or which number is subtracting, or whatever you need in the middle. So it's simply that it is a simple method. You have to simply write down in the form of formula, that is 2ab. We need 2 now, because we know that it has become 2ab in the formula. So what we do, we write down 2 and a, whatever is a term and whatever is a b term, because it is present, a term and b term is present in the question. So it is easy to decide that what we add or what we subtract. So now it is left that 16a square into b square. So now it is the whole squares, and 16 is the square of, girls, 4. So it means that we are able to write down a 4ab ka whole square. Now it become a square minus b square, girls. So we write down, we able to use the formula a square minus b square, one time plus and one time minus. So the answer is a square plus 8b ka square plus 4ab, and again a square plus 8b ka square minus 4ab. Now the third part, girls. I hope you understand the first and second part. Now the third part is, girls, x power 4 plus 4x square plus 16. Again, first of all, you have to see that anything is common. No, because all the same numbers are not present, because in the first term there is not 4 is present. Now the second thing is that either you check that we are able to apply that directly, we are able to apply the formula that the first term is a square and the last term is also square. But in the middle, if you see that 16 is a square of 4, and in the middle we need 2ab. So for 2, a square is x square and b is 4. So we need 8. What is we need? We need 8, but it is a 4. So what you do, you girls, you have to write this third term at the side, and with the same method we have, which we have done in the last two questions, last two parts, girls, we have to add or subtract with the help of 2ab. So girls, the first term is x square, okay, का whole square लिखेंगे, we have to write down x square का whole square, and 16 is the square of 4. So 4 का whole square plus what we need 2ab. So we write down 2x square into 4, and we also subtract 2x square into 4, and plus 4x square which is already present in the question, we have to write down at the end. So now, girls, we have to shift this plus 1 in the middle, and we complete the square. It is x square ka whole square plus 2ab plus b ka square, that is 4 ka square. And here we check that multiplication to 4 times 8, so it is minus 8x square and plus 4x square as it is. Now we able to apply the formula. I'm not writing again and again the formula. You already know that it is a formula, that is a plus b ka whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the formula is come close now, x square plus 4 ka whole square, and here minus 8 and plus, because both are like terms, so we are able to add or subtract. So what is there? Minus 4x square. Now we check that 4 is a square of 2, so it is a complete square again, 2x ka whole square. So a square minus b square is there. So girls, we are able to apply the formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So x square plus 4 plus 2x and x square plus 4 minus 2x. So this is the answer of the third part. Now girls, fourth part of this question, and it is x power 4 minus 14x square plus 1. Again we check that anything is common. No, nothing is common. We are not able to apply the formula because middle term is not satisfied, because you know that it is 2ab na, so 1 and 1 ka square, so we need only 2x square na, in the middle we need only 2x square, but it is 14x square. So what we do, girls, we have to add or subtract by yourself now. So what we writing, it is a term, that is x square ka whole square, because it is 4 power, plus 1 ka square 1 hota, so we have to write on 1 square, and minus 14x square at the side. Now we check that what we add and what we subtract, we write down in the 2ab formula. So it is plus 2x square into 1 and minus 2x square into 1, and minus 14x square, which is already present in the question, you have to write down at the end. Now we shift this plus in the middle and we complete the formula. Okay, so it is x square का whole square plus 2x square into 1 plus 1. It is a complete square. Now it is a complete formula. So we are able to apply the a plus b का whole square formula. So x square plus 1 का whole square minus, and here it is 2 1 and 2, so it is minus 2x square, and minus 2 and minus 14 it become minus 16. Because again they are like them, so they are able to add. Now we check that 16 is a square of any number. So yes, 16 is a square of 4. So what we do, we have to write down as a whole square form. So it is a x square plus 1 ka whole square minus 4x ka whole square. Now it is a square minus b square. So we use the same formula. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now the first term x square plus 1 plus 4x and x square plus 1 minus 4x. I hope you understand all these parts, girls. So girls, if you have any problem or any questions in these parts, if you think that you are not able to any point, you are not able to understand, girls, ask me in my inbox. And girls, you have to do the homework as fifth and sixth part of question number 1. Clear to all of you? So you have to do fifth and sixth part as a homework on your neat copies, girls, and send me the pic of your work. If you are not sending the pic of your work, I am not mark your present. Okay, so girls, send me the proper work, girls. Thank you very much. God bless you.